This is a rejuvenating practice that may encourage you to rest very deeply for the next several minutes. If you are not already there, please lie down on something comfortable, settling in so that you won't have to move much at all after you find your space. Notice if there are any sounds around you. They may be far away or nearby, so just let the sounds all in. Don't resist them. It's just life around us, being aware of, but not reactive to the sounds. Begin an intention to relax deeply into your own skin, dropping the weight of your bones onto the floor or bed or couch. Notice how your tummy will rise to let the breath in, and then it'll just fall away as you exhale. Allow the focus of your breath to be on the navel center, on the abdomen. Notice how it rises and then releases, rises and then releases into this rhythm, natural flowing rhythm. Let your next inhale invite in a newer energy, drawing in clear and calm breath. Invite in healing through the inhale and allow your exhale to help you not only release the breath, but release any feelings of depletion, release any feelings of stress, release tension. Noticing the rhythm of your breath and its capacity to bring in renewal on inhale. The next few moments, let your mind focus gently on the nourishing cycle of your own breath, coming in, surrendering out. Let yourself relax here and let your breath guide you towards becoming even more elegant in relating to your own mind. Inhale, inviting in nourishment. Exhale, inviting in surrendering. Keep dropping yourself into the rhythm of your breath, dropping deeper into your own trusted relaxation and comfortable letting go. Notice how the more you surrender into this moment, the more your body is supported. Relax into the softness of this breath, of this moment. Becoming aware of your entire body, letting go, releasing. Allow your forehead to soften as if the breath was smoothing out any tension. Allow your eyelids eyelids to relax, and your inner ears to soften just a little bit more. Relax the roof of your mouth so that you can feel an ever-expansive doming of the back of your mouth, the arch, open, relaxing. Every bone lets go of any holding. You'll notice there's less tension in your heart, your stomach. There's a releasing in all of your organs of assimilation, digestion, elimination, reproduction. Everything relaxes, everything softens and supports you at the highest level. Your entire being is thoroughly aware of how supported it is in this very moment. Notice the points of your body that are being drawn down into the floor or the bed. The back of your hands, your heel, both heels, both shoulder blades, as if gravity itself were drawing your body down into an even deeper softness. Wherever your back body meets the earth is exactly where the letting go connection happens. And any tension, any stress drains out through those very points where your body meets the earth, drains out, releases through you, releases out. So each surrendering breath helps drain out any thoughts that don't support you, allowing you to feel freedom in your body and your mind, releasing you into spaciousness. You feel freer now, less burdened, less effort. More of your own beautiful essence can be known. Almost a luminosity, a feeling of light and lightness, expanding with each breath into effortless ease. You are pure awareness, pure light presence. Slowly bring your attention back to your breathing and let it deepen just a little bit more. And then let that next breath fill your entire body with light, the front line of your body, your limbs, your brain, all light and bright, clear and steady. When you're ready, you may turn onto your right side. Your meditation practice is complete.